Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick haul to show you a preview of a few things I'll be using in some of my upcoming videos in the next several weeks, and a couple of things you've already seen if you follow me on Instagram, starting with 2 sheets of wrapping paper. I haven't actually used these as wrapping paper. I like to cut out the little images and paste them into planners, journals, and on mail art. And this is the one you may have seen, the little images here. I used that in my Halloween spread. So these first few things I picked up from Blick Art Supply. So these 2 sheets of wrapping paper and then these pens. I picked up another Sakura pen. If you've been watching my YouTube videos for a while, you know that's kind of my go-to. And then I have this white pen, which is good for making highlights and writing on darker pieces of paper. And then I got a calligraphy pen because I want to try and step up my lettering game. Next, I got some artist trading cards. Now, I've never done these before, but I picked up the envelope and the cards, and I'll film a few videos letting you see what I come up with. I've also been doing some mail art lately, and I got a bunch of envelopes and cards because I've started acquiring some pen pals. The last thing that I got were a bunch of stamps, and this is some stamps that aren't mounted yet. I do have the backing for these so I can use them with my acrylic blocks, and there's I think 9 different images on here, so I really liked that. And I got a bunch of other stamps. These all came in a bag, and I didn't pick these up from Blick. I actually got these from Goodwill, which I buy a bunch of my art supplies from. If you're trying to save money, I highly recommend that you look at some secondhand stores. Now these ones are mostly for Thanksgiving. I used a couple of these in my Halloween spread as well. And if you watch my next Plan With Me video, you'll see me use a few of those. And finally, I got this 3-pack of birds, which is the last item in this haul. If you'd like to see how I use these items, be sure to come back and watch my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.